Hello children, listen, learn and speak. Today we learn colors name. Red color,
Red color,
yellow.
yellow,
This one is yellow. Blue,
blue,
green,
green,
orange,
orange,
purple.
purple.
Let's learn all color one by one. Purple, green, blue.
Purple, green, blue,
Red, yellow, orange.
red, yellow, orange.
Well done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.